Hello students, my name is Assistant Professor Soil Penduri, Head of Food Processing Technology from Professor Sambhajirao Kadam College, Usarla. Today's topic is modern rice milling process. In this modern rice milling process, we see about the modern rice milling process. What is rice milling? Modern rice milling flow chart, rice pre-cleaning processes, and in this rice cleaning process, various types of cleaning or processing process. First, we see about the mill rice. Mill rice is being produced in rice mill after removing bran, husk and germ. Rice produced after modern rice milling process has different flavor, appearance and extended life. Would not you want to know more about this modern rice milling? Then, what is the rice milling? A rice milling process is all about producing edible meal rice after separating the husk 20%, the bran layer 11% and clean rice 69% across starchy endosperm. Modern rice milling process, flowchart and steps. In an ideal milling process, this will result in 20% husk, 8 to 12% bran, depending on the milling degree, and 68 to 72% meal rice or white rice, depend upon the variety. Then what are the modern rice milling flowchart? First, in this video, you see first is cleaning. After cleaning, we proceed for the hulling process, then milling process, then polishing, grading, sorting, packing, and storage. Then, what is the rice cleaning process? Rough paddy cleaning in modern rice mill. Paddy rice cleaning process, also called rice paddy cleaning process. It is first step in rice milling system. After rice paddy comes for milling process in rice mill from rice farm. Paddy always comes up having a lot of external material. The efficiency of the huller as well as milling would not get affected. If they are not removed properly, then the efficiency of the rice mill machinery can be reduced. The capacity of the paddy pre-cleaner is actually 1.5 times the milling capacity. It makes rice milling an ideal in this modern age. What is rice cleaning process? Rice cleaning process which is classified into various steps: removing the husk, it's also called dehusking or dehulling. Brown rice is actually produced by removing the husk from rough paddy rice. The husk actually removed using friction so that paddy grains can easily pass in between two abrasive surfaces that move following different seeds. It makes easy to let husk removed following suction and transported to a storage dump outside the mill. It means you would not have to comfort a lot of hassle anymore. After After that, the paddy separation is carried out. Paddy separator is good at unhusked paddy rice from brown rice, making easier to go ahead with the next procedure in a modern rice milling system. Talking about the amount of paddy actually depend on different things, including the efficiency uh, of the husker and its should not be more than 10%. Paddy separators work in a great way, making the entire procedure easier and smooth. Paddy rice is fed to paddy separator in rice mills. Paddy rice is separated from brown rice and the separated paddy rice will then be removed. It's called rice recipe. Whitening or polishing. Do you know that how whitening or polishing rich are made? Here we are going to talk about rice whitening process in modern rice mill. Actually, white rice is produced removing the bran layer and the germ from the paddy. Now you might be thinking that how does bran layer remove? To put these simple words, the bran layer is removed from the kernel going with the different policies such as abrasive or frictional policy. The amount of bran removed is normally between 8 to 10% of the total paddy weight. Then separation of white rice. The next on the list is all about separation of white rice. Once rice polishing is done, white rice is separated into head rice, small, broken and large rice. Head rice is generally categorized as kernel having ratio of 75 to 80 degree or more of whole kernel in order to have higher degree of precision for grading and suspend separator a length or intended grader is used. Then rice mill. Talking about a good modern age rice mill, it generally produces 50 to 60% head rice means whole kernels, 5 to 10% large broken and 10 to 15% small broken kernels. Moreover, it also depends upon country standards as well as what is about the rice grades in the market as it will contain from 5 to 25% broken kernels. If rice mixing is get done in a sophisticated manner, then a volumetric mixture is necessary. Then mist polishing. It is all about mixing a fine mist of water having dust retained on the whitened rice in order to improve the luster of rice. The motto is not compromising with the quality of rice. A friction type of whitening machine plays a major role to deliver a fine mist of water during the final whitening process, ideal for final polishing before the sale. Last not the least is rice weighing. Now it is time to know about rice weighing. To put in simple word, rice is normally sold in 50 kg sacks and it should be weighed accurately and labeled. These days, most rice mills are preferring to go with the advanced manual mechanical weighing system so that they can have accurate result. This fast electronic system is considered ideal to go ahead. To make more profit, it is needed to make sure that you are going to have advanced machinery at your work to gain amazing result in rice milling operation. Thank you.